Hello everyone, my name is Sarvesh Patil and I am from team CTRL-ALT-ELITE. So let's start with the implementation of our demo. So this is the homepage of our application. We have shown some basic information of our application over here. We can scroll down and we have also displayed a YouTube video for awareness from UNICEF. And then going ahead, we have shown some features of our application. And then we can click on this link to get started with our application. Now going to I have automatically logged in, so let's log out and then log in again. This is the login page, and we can click on sign in to log into the application. Now after logging in, we are shown to our view complaint page. Let's start with analyze following page. Over here, basically we are doing is we are entering our Twitter username. So I will enter the Twitter username, and then we can search all the uh, profiles that I am following. So this is the list of all the profiles that I am following. So I want to analyze a particular user if he is harassing us or something else like that. So I will click on analyze. It will take a few seconds to get the data, and a pop-up will be shown. Yeah, so here is the pop-up. Here we can see that hate is 18%, sexist is 96%, and so on. So that we get the details of that particular user based on the his recent 10 most 10 tweets. We get these details. Now clicking on OK. After analyzing a particular user, I will click on report. So I saw that the user is sexist. So I will click on report over here. After clicking on report, we get to this page where we can file the complaint. I will tell the subject will be sexist re- report, my name, my address, city, postal code, and my phone, and the email ID as well. And I can describe the whole complaint in more detail over here. So the complaint, this is complaint for sexist comments. Then I can simply click on submit, and we can see that the complaint has been sent successfully. Now we will be redirected to view complaints page. Over here we can see all the complaints have been listed over here, and we can see our most recent complaint, that the complaint number 6 is listed over here, and the status is in progress. We can click on this to view the complaint in more detail over here. Now moving on to our admin side of this application. On that, we can simply go to admin route, and then we can see all the complaints that have been logged by all the users over here. So the admin has the rights to modify the status of the to monitor the particular complaint, and then modify the status based on the actions that have been taken. So I can see this report, and after taking action, I can simply click on resolve to resolve this complaint. So I will click on resolve, and it will show saved successfully. And then we go back to this page. Now, now I will click on view complaints page, and I can see that the particular complaint that I have created is resolved successfully. So this was our one feature. Now moving ahead to analyze text. This feature is basically to we sometimes get tweets that are in different language that we cannot understand. So to handle this, we are giving this a feature over here. The user will be able to enter a tweet in some different language, and then he can analyze that particular tweet. So I will take a tweet some in different language. Just a second. And then I can simply paste that particular tweet over here. I have entered it in Marathi, and then I can simply click on submit to analyze this particular text. Over here, we can see that the after analyzation, the parameters have been given over here. It is the hate percent is 17, physical harassment is 5%, sexist is 87%. So this was one feature. Now moving ahead to cyber cell locator. It is basically a Google map. It will basically show a Google map that will provide all the cyber cell stations near me. So I have entered Dombivli, and it has shown all the stations near Dombivli. So this was our Google Maps feature. Now moving ahead to the guidelines, we are using OpenAI GPT-3 API for this particular model. So I will here basically what I have to do is that I have to describe my particular incident, so that the model will give the steps that I have to take to counter that incident. So I will enter an incident. After clicking on submit, it will take a few seconds to get all the necessary steps, and these steps would be displayed over here. So yeah, got all the steps that we need to take if we are in this particular situation. So this was our application. On the homepage, we can see that there is a chatbot as well. Yeah, this is the chatbot. Here the user can ask any questions related to the application, and he will get FAQs over here, answers over here. So I will just ask a question. What is the helpline numbers available? So it will give this answer. And also, what I will ask one more question. What kind of offenses are considered as online harassment? Then click on enter. Now it will the chatbot will give me this answer. So this was the whole demo of our application. I thank you for listening towards the end of the video. Thank you.